Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Unfortunately, the video size or video resolution is not highlighted here, but that's okay. It simply means that we have to open the settings, and we can do it just by tapping on this three bars icon on the left side. And as you can see, the second bar is connected with the resolution. In this device, we've got only two options from which we can choose, so 1080p, which is currently applied because it is highlighted, or 720p. So all we can do is to tap on the another option, so let's do it. As you can see, it will be immediately highlighted, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.